Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder, the place where we try to find something a little more interesting than what the company is telling you. Today we're diving into FG Nexus Incorporated's latest filing, and get ready because this one is a bit of a curveball, so buckle up. Before we get into the nitty-gritty, if you enjoy getting these unfiltered corporate insights, make sure you've subscribed. And if you want to chat with us and other viewers about these filings, our Discord community is linked in the description below. Alright, so what we have here is a Form 8K, which is basically a company's way of announcing major events that shareholders should know about. Think of it like a news flash from the company. This particular filing is from FG Nexus Incorporated, and it's dated the 29th of September 2025. Now, FG Nexus Incorporated, they're known for a few things in the market. They're a publicly traded company, meaning their stock is available for anyone to buy and sell. We see here they have common stock and a special kind of preferred stock called 8.00% cumulative preferred stock Series A. This preferred stock has a specific dividend rate, kind of like a fixed interest payment attached to it, which can be attractive to certain investors looking for more predictable income. Their common stock, the regular kind you usually think of, is traded on the Nasdaq under the ticker symbol FGNX, the par value. Here is a very small amount, $0.001 per S hair. This is mostly a technical term and doesn't really reflect the market value of the stock, which is what matters to investors. And then to raise their preferred stock Series A also on the Nasdaq ticker FGNXP. This one has a par value of $25, and as the name suggests, it carries an 8% cumulative dividend. Cumulative means if the company misses a dividend payment, it has to make it up later before paying anything to common stockholders. That's an important distinction for preferred shareholders. Okay, so the main event here, the reason for this 8K filing comes under item 7.01. This section is all about what they call Regulation FD disclosure. Basically, it's a rule that says companies have to share important news with everyone at the same time so no one gets an unfair advantage. And the big news they're announcing is that FG Nexus Incorporated has significantly increased its position in Ethereum, or ETH as of the 28th of September 2025. Their holdings in ETH reached 50,770 coins. This is a pretty substantial amount, and it tells us something important about the company's strategy. They are actively investing in and holding cryptocurrency assets, specifically Ether, which is the second largest cryptocurrency by market cap. This indicates a forward-looking or speculative approach to their treasury management, betting on the potential growth of digital assets. Now, while this filing doesn't contain extensive financial tables of past performance, it does refer us to an exhibit, which is the press release itself. This press release is the primary source of the announcement. The filing makes it clear this information is being furnished and not officially filed with the SEC in the same way as a quarterly or annual report. This means it's more of an FYI for the public, with limited legal implications if it were later found to be inaccurate. This specific press release dated the 29th of September 2025 is the actual document detailing this ETH position increase. It's like the company is saying, hey, look at this. We've got a lot more Ether now. This move signals that FG Nexus Incorporated is not just a traditional business with stocks and preferred shares. It is embracing digital assets as a core part of its operational or investment strategy. Now let's think about what this means. The company is holding a significant amount of Ethereum. This is a high risk, high reward play. Ethereum's price can be very volatile. If the price of Ether goes up, FG Nexus could see a considerable boost in its assets. However, if the price crashes, it could also significantly hurt their financial standing. This is a major strategic bet, and investors need to understand the implications of holding such volatile assets within a corporate structure. We're not seeing detailed financials here, but this asset announcement is a huge indicator of where management is placing its chips. This is just a minor investment. A position of over 50,000 ETH represents a serious commitment and likely a significant portion of their liquid assets. So, to wrap this up, FG Nexus Incorporated is making a bold move into the cryptocurrency space by substantially increasing its Ethereum holdings. This strategy brings both potential for significant gains due to crypto market appreciation and considerable risk from its inherent volatility. Investors should be watching the price of ETH very closely, as its performance will directly impact FG Nexus' balance sheet moving forward. This filing, while brief, tells a compelling story about a company actively navigating the evolving financial landscape by incorporating digital assets into its core. What do you think about FG Nexus' big bet on Ethereum? Is it a smart move for the future, or is it too risky? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this breakdown helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more in-depth corporate analyses. And don't forget to join our Discord community to keep the conversation going. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.